Thank you, bro, from Team Philippines. Okay, so I would like to discuss some important matters so that you can familiar our dashboard. So our goal is to reach to the higher level. So when we join, we are at the beginners rank. Okay, beginners rank. So here in the beginners rank, so to upgrade influencer to influencer, if you have already two directs, then that is enough to upgrade to influencer. Okay, so to be a beginner, you need a 0.0045 BNB, OP BNB. That is equivalent approximate to $2.70. Okay, less than $3 you can start. So now if you have two directs, so it means that your account in the beginner can earn almost 100%. Let us say 95%. So if you have two directs, that is enough to upgrade to influencer. So you can earn indirect referral 95%. You can invite as many as you want. Remember 95%. So if you can invite one, you have almost return of investment. Let us say, but not investment that waiting to earn. It means that your capital, return of capital, you can earn 95%. Okay, if you have invite one. Okay, so now what will happen if you are already influencer? So in your second level, okay, let's say like this, go to your community. This is your community. So if this is your invite, this is your invite. By the way, you can have a multiple accounts. It is possible. It is still yours, and also this yours. Okay. So the important there is that you have already two directs because that is the qualification to benefits the upgrade. Because if you have no two directs, remember not one but two directs. If there are spillovers, you can benefit the spillovers. For example, you have two directs. For example, this four not your invite. No, if these two are not his invites, so it means that these are spillovers from above. Okay, so what will happen? So they are your second level. Okay, so in the second level you have four slots. Okay, your four slots. So when they join, they also started uh, beginner's account. Yes, they started beginner's account. So for example, once they upgrade into influencer and now you are already influencer, okay? Because I would like to remind you, if you have already two directs, that is enough to upgrade. So now you're influencer, let us say influencer. So if these people in your second level, there are four slots. There are four slots. When they upgrade, you are the one to benefit. You can earn 95%. Upgrade to influencer, you can earn 95%. This one upgraded to influencer, again you earn 95%. This one upgraded to influencer, you earn. This one you earn. Unless if you are not upgraded to influencer, if this one will upgrade into influencer and he is your second level but you are not influencer yet, so the earnings will pass through and the other upline will benefit. Okay, so be sure that you have to monitor your account. Okay, so now when is the right time to upgrade to higher level? Anyway, you can upgrade anytime if you want, but there is also let us say like me, for example, let's say like me, so you can see so if I were to upgrade, so I have to upgrade the pioneer because I'm already an ambassador. Ambassador is the fourth rank. So it means I'm already ambassador. Anyone from the fourth level, because these people, okay, let us say how to trace. Okay, just go to the line. Okay, then first level there are two only. because two slots only. Then the second level, it should be four. Okay, one, two, three, four. So it's already full. So number three. So number four. Okay. Then now I am already an ambassador. Okay. So I am planning to upgrade to pioneer. So I will see the fifth level. Okay. So these people, uh, I have already 13 people in my level 5. So in level 1, there are 2 people, door slots. Level 2, it should be 4 slots. 2, 4, just doubled. 4, 8, 16, 32. So still more to come because there are only 13 accounts here. So in the level 5, the exact number of people should be 32. Okay. So now, these people are in your fifth level. The question is, do I have to upgrade now to Pioneer? So there is a sign, guys. Just go here. So it means that these people, this ID number, this user ID, is still an influencer. Yes, but he is in your fifth level. And also this one, influencer, it means he has already two directs. That's that's what it means. Okay. So now, influencer will upgrade to achiever, then ambassador, then the pioneer. So I am planning to be a pioneer, but as of now, no ambassador yet. Even one, no ambassador. So it means that it is not it's okay not to upgrade yet because uh, no one to no one possible to upgrade to to pioneer. So if there are already ambassador, it means that there is a big possible that they will also upgrade to ambassador to pioneer if they are already ambassador. So that's the time that you upgrade immediately to pioneer. Okay. So I hope you get the idea, guys. So thank you very much. So this is your dashboard. Okay. So there are 12 ranks all. Okay. So thank you very much.